Hello students. So in my previous MySQL recording, I have discussed how to create a table. First I have discussed how to create a database, and then after creation of a database, we went to that database and created a table. Also inserted the table records into the table, and finally dropped the table as well. So in DDL commands, data definition language commands, there are mainly three commands: creating a table by create command, then altering the table, and dropping the table. So far we have discussed creating a table and dropping a table. Now we will be discussing today how to alter a table. Let me tell you that whether creating, altering, and dropping, all these three commands deals with the structure of the table, not the uh, data of the table. So it will be dealing with the structure of the table, and structure of the table here, since we have created the structure, that is using the create command, then we have dropped the structure using the drop command. Now we'll be altering the table structure by adding a column, or say dropping a column, or increasing or decreasing the length of the column. So let us discuss the alter command all the way. First we have to go to the database where we'll be working. So last time I have created KMS database, so let me go to that database. Use first you just see what databases are available. Show databases, and these are the databases available where my database was, let me see, KMS. This is the database I had created. So go to that database, use KMS, enter. So I have gone to that database KMS. Let me see the tables available there. Show tables. To see the tables, student table is there. Let me see the records available there. Select star from KMS. No records are available. Oh, sorry, select star from student. So these two records are available here, and these are the field: roll number, name, gender, date of birth, fees. Now suppose I want to add one column, I want to change the structure of the table. Will not be data definition language does not deal with the data, it will deal with the structure of the table. Yeah, so I want to add one column, suppose that is address. So the command will be alter table student, add column name, data type, and length, semicolon, enter. So far I have given the command. Query is okay. Now one column is added. Just see, let me see. Select star from student. Just see, one address column is there. Earlier it was not there. Up to fees it was there. So roll number, name, gender, date of birth, and fees. Now address column is added there, and since the no value is given, therefore null value is added, because we have just created the column, so we have not given any value, therefore null value is there. And by which command I have created this column? I have created this column by giving this command alter table. This is the command I have given, alter table student. Okay, alter table, then table name, that is student, add, then column name, that is address, and the data type varchar 20. Okay, fine. So in this way we have changed the structure of the table, okay, and by adding one column. So I want to add one more column. So again the command will be alter table name add. Suppose I want to add phone number as a column, varchar 10 and semicolon. So one more column is added. Let me see the data. Just see, phone number column is added and no value is given, therefore null value is there. Now I have added the column. Okay, now I want to drop a column. So if I want to drop a column, that is removing a column from the structure, so you have to give alter table name student drop. Okay, give the column name phone number, and this column will be dropped, removed from the table. Let me see. Okay, query is okay, that means it is done. And just see, the earlier the phone number column was there, now phone number column is not there, only address column is there along with the other columns. So we have dropped the column as well. Now we will be learning how to change the increase or decrease the length of the column. Suppose my see the structure here, describe. To see the structure of a table, we have to give the command describe. So desc, then student, that we will find that the table structure is there, where roll number, name. In the structure you can see the field name, then type of data type of that particular field, whether null value can be allowed or not, on all the constraints you can see, default value you can see, so and so. Now here you can see that address column is there and the length is 20. Suppose I want to change this length and I want to increase this length by 30. So what will be the command? Alter table name, okay, modify address, modify then column name, which column you want to change, and then you write the new length, data type and length. Suppose I want 30 characters, so 30 characters will be there. Some mistakes we have done, that let me see. Alter table name, modify address, address, varchar 30, and here we have done the mistake. Alter command is alter. Okay, now query is okay. Now you can see that describe student, earlier it was 20, now you can see the changes is done, that is 30. So using the alter command, what we can do, we can add a column, that we have done. We can drop a column, that is removing a column from the table, that we have done. We can change the column length, we can increase decrease the column, that we have done. So all the way alter command is discussed. Now in detail, whenever we will be talking about the DDL command, let you know that DDL command, data definition language, and the examples are create, alter, drop. Create command used to create the table, alter command used to alter the table in terms of field, adding the field, dropping the field, and then drop the table. And when we are talking about the dropping the table, means you are dropping the table, yeah, or say you are removing the table from the database along with its data. Okay, and DDL command, that is data definition language command, always deals with the structure of the table, not the data of the table. Like this is the data, this is structure of the table, and data of the table. Data of the table does not deal with the data, it deals with the adding the column, dropping the column, and increasing the length of the column, and so and so. And one thing I want to show also, that is while we were creating that table, okay, while we are adding one column to an existing table, that is here address. So since we have not given any data, null value goes there. So we can change this value later on. Suppose I want to change for the first record, I want to change the address. Okay, so let it be. So to change the data, we have to give the command update. So update student set address equal to Mohan Garden, New Delhi. Suppose let it be. And if you do this, all the record will have this value. For a particular record, you have to give where roll number equal to 1. So for roll number equal to 1, this now query is okay, it is done. So for roll number equal to 1, we have changed the address from null value to Mohan Garden, New Delhi. Let me see the records. Select start from student, and it is done. Okay, if you don't give this where roll number equal to 1, and if I put semicolon here, this value would have come here also. But since I have given where roll number equals to 1, so for roll number 1 only, these changes will be done. And one thing you can see, update is a DML command, data manipulation language command, which is dealt with the data, because we have changed the data here, not the structure. So to remember this one, and to contrast with the data, I mean working with data or working with structure, I have taken this update command. Here you can see we have dealt with the data of the table. This is the part, I mean address data part is there, Mohan Garden, New Delhi. Okay, and that we have done through the command update. Okay, and while adding one column after creating a table, okay, if we want to add one column, and after adding that column null values goes there, because after creating the column you have not given any value to any field. So in this field null value goes there, and once the field is created, after that we can set the value by giving this command, update, then table name set address equal to so and so. If the value is same for all the columns, then we need not give any condition here. Otherwise we have to get the condition key for which record you want to set the value, and that is there. Okay, so this way we have created. So ultimately we have created a table, that dropping a table and altering a table. Let me show you the drop command as well. See how many show tables, how many tables are there. One table, and I want to create the backup of this table, because I want to show you the dropping of a table. So backup of a table, though I have shown it in the previous record also, again I'm showing here that dropping of a table, I want to take backup of this table. So create table stud1 1 or say stud underscore back, back. Okay, as select as select star and backup is created. Show tables, you can see this backup is created. And if you drop, so now time is not there, so I'm not okay. Okay, thank you very much.